Hey there, I'm back. So many of you asked how I turned myself into a Pixar character, and today I'm going to show you how I did it using ChatGPT's image generator. Right now, the AI world is buzzing with creativity. People are gibifying their photos, turning themselves into Lego people, action figures, and even Barbie dolls. The trends are wild, and let's be honest, kind of amazing. Yes, some of these trends stirred up a little controversy, especially the Studio Ghibli ones, because fans felt it disrespected the legacy of Hayao Miyazaki, who is known as the Walt Disney of anime. But honestly, most of us humans are just having fun. It's really not that serious. We're not doing it out of malice. We just love seeing ourselves reimagined in creative ways. It's fun, it's silly, you post it and move on. But turning yourself into a Pixar character? It's a really cute game changer, and once you see how easy it is, you'll be blown away. Okay, let's get started. First, sign into ChatGPT. The image generator is free to use with a basic account, but I use ChatGPT 4.0 with the Pro plan because I do so much more than just character creation. Once you're logged in, upload a photo of yourself. I actually uploaded a few different ones to give the AI more to work with. Better input equals better output. Next, enter a prompt. A prompt is just a set of instructions that tells ChatGPT what kind of image you want. So describe yourself however you like. For example, instead of saying beautiful woman, you might say handsome dark-haired man with a beard. Want a different background? A different outfit? Just say it in the prompt. And if you're unsure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll drop a simple prompt in the description or comments that you can copy, paste, and customize to make it your own. Once your prompt is ready, press the Generate button. Give it a couple of minutes, and just like that, boom, your Pixar character is created. Now, if for some reason you don't love your first result, that's okay. Just ask ChatGPT to create it again. Talk to it like a human. It understands. You can literally type, please regenerate, or even, please change my shirt color from white to blue. You don't need an elaborate prompt. It's that easy. And yes, I do use the word please. It's always a good idea to be polite when you're working with AI, because you just never know.
Be polite.
Also remember, ChatGPT is working hard in the background, doing all the things you need to save time and help you create something amazing like this. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how did you make it talk? That's where another AI tool comes in. It's called Hedra. With Hedra, you can add voice and motion to your character. It may sound advanced, but the process is actually super simple. So don't get discouraged or think AI isn't for you. It totally is, and that's why I'm here.
Modal Gen AI model in the world.
Featuring full body expression,
emotional control,
and dynamic environments.
From our world
to the next. Tell your story with all of the leading image, audio, and video models at your command.
Your new all-in-one creation platform.
Hedra Studio and Character 3. Available today at Hedra.com.
So, if you're curious about Hedra, I'll leave a link in the description. They even offer a free plan to help you get started. And don't worry, I've got a full video coming soon to walk you through how to bring your images to life. AI trends move fast. That's why we're taking it slow, building one thing at a time the easy way. It doesn't matter if you're learning something today that went viral months ago. What matters is you're curious enough to try, and that deserves a round of applause. AI can be fun, especially if you're a creative like me, because you are an awesome human, and don't forget that. Hey, one last thing before you go. Can you help boost this video by giving it a like? And if you're watching on YouTube, hit that follow button for more AI easy content. Also, let me know in the comments, are you interested in learning how to make your character move and talk using AI tools just like me? because I've got a few tools and tricks I'd love to share with you. Remember, AI can be fun. Creativity is your superpower, and you, my friend, are an awesome human. Until next time, see you on the inside of AI.